Tell them who you are. If you're living in the movement, you wanna praise God. This is how we do it.
Top of the day to you, bro. Today, I'm gonna plane this door down. This door just barely catches. But just check out this door. See how the frame is tipped down? It's not the door, it's the freaking frame. The wall's settled. There's more than one settle mark going on right here. Plus, you can just see that big nasty gap. Look at that. That's a 1/2 inch to nothing. And then the bottom's not too bad. Looks like it was cut to fit. But I'm gonna plane off just the last couple of inches at the door. So I'm gonna plane it off real quick. Well, the cool thing about this little 12 volt Milwaukee is you can put the discharge on either side. So I'm gonna put it on the right and then close the left. So that side is closed. It's gonna come out this side and turn the shop back on and knock just a hair off. See how she works. I used a door stop to hold the door. So what I did was I just slowly started back, and as I was rolling, I just slightly increased the amount I took off the door. So instead of being you know what I mean? I just slightly took off, just tapered it down a little bit. It does miss, but I want to take off just a hair bit more so it looks better. Perfection, bro. I just dropped it. Hopefully I didn't break it. It looks alright. Anyways, yeah, so like I said, what I did was I just increased it slightly as I walked it. You know, from nothing to, you know, I think I took it up to 13/64. You know, no big deal. But man, that was pretty slick. It slid across that door like it was nothing. You can see the gap up there now. See the gap? Nice and tapered down. It didn't need a lot. So door shuts like brand new. I only got a little chip up right there, but the painter's gonna be here soon. He can take care of that. This is just a tip for the new guys on how to check a photo sensor to see if it's any good or not, or if it's the bulb's blown. Here's how you check. Down here in the shop, I'm gonna do a test run on this photocell. I get it hooked up, continuity. Usually it takes a couple of minutes for the photocell to close, and then I should read continuity. I just want to see if this thing's any good anymore. After sitting here for about 10 minutes, it's still flashing back and forth, 1 to 2 point. So I took another one and connected the 2 leads to the red and white wire with no power to it. It's ohming through. So that's one way to make sure that the meters or the photocell's good. If it ohms through, it should be good.